How do I run a full scan using Windows Defender? So if you want to run a full scan using Windows Defender, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go for your Windows search and search for Windows Security. And here you just need to open the Windows Security. Once you open here, on the first option you will have virus and threat protection. Click on that option. Once you click on the virus and threat protection, under the virus and threat, you will have current threats option, right? So under the current threats, you will have an option of scan options. Simply click on it and then you need to choose full scan button. Scroll down and then you can choose scan now option. So in my PC or in my laptop, I don't have any viruses or threats. So I don't have those options. It says no actions needed and I don't have any other options, right? But if you have the options, then you just need to simply go for your full scan, scroll down and then tap on scan now. This will start the full scan and it will take time to complete the scan. So just wait for some time. Or you can also do the another way. You can simply open up your command prompt, right click on it, go for run as administrator and then go for yes and press the enter key on your keyboard. Enter the command which is cd space /program data /Microsoft /Windows Defender /platform /4*. Hit the enter. Now type another command to run the full scan, which is mpcm run space -scan space -scan type space 2 and press the enter. This will start the full scan in the command prompt window. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.